If you use Obsidian regularly, then you probably already know how repetitive note-taking can become. You may find yourself typing the same headings, structures, dates, task lists, or formatting again and again every single day. That's exactly where Templater plugin becomes extremely useful. Templater is one of the most powerful plugins available for Obsidian because it allows you to automate note creation and save a huge amount of time. Whether you are a student, writer, researcher, productivity enthusiast, or someone building a second brain system, learning how to use Templater can seriously improve your workflow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Templater in Obsidian step by step in the easiest beginner-friendly way possible. So first, let's quickly understand what Templater actually does. Normally in Obsidian, you can already create simple templates using the built-in templates feature, but Templater takes things much further by allowing you to add dynamic content, automatic dates, custom commands, scripts, smart formatting, and advanced automation directly into your notes. This means you can instantly generate structured notes without manually typing everything each time. So to get started, first open Obsidian on your computer. Once Obsidian opens, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. After that, go to the section called Community Plugins. If Community Plugins are disabled, enable them first because Templater is a community plugin. Then click on Browse and search for Templater. Once you find the plugin, click Install and then enable it. After enabling the plugin, you now need to configure it properly. Go into the Templater settings page and look for the Template Folder Location option. This is where Obsidian will store all your template files. Create a new folder inside your vault called Templates and then select that folder in the settings. This step is important because Templater needs a dedicated location for managing your templates. Now, let's create your first template. Go back into your vault and open the Templates folder. Create a new note and name it something like Daily Note Template. Inside this note, you can type the structure you want repeated automatically every time you create a new daily note. For example, you can add sections like goals, tasks, notes, ideas, and reflection. Now here's where Templater becomes powerful. Instead of manually typing today's date every day, Templater can generate it automatically using commands. For example, you can insert dynamic date formatting directly into the template. Whenever the template is used, Obsidian automatically replaces the command with the current date and time. This makes note creation much faster and more organized. Another useful feature is automatic file naming. Many users create templates that automatically generate note titles based on the current date or topic. This is especially useful for journal entries, meeting notes, lecture notes, and project planning systems. Instead of manually organizing everything, Templater helps automate the process. Now let's talk about how to actually use a template. Open a new note inside Obsidian, then open the command palette using the shortcut or menu option. Search for the Templater command that inserts templates. Select your template, and instantly all the predefined sections and dynamic information appear automatically inside the note. This can save a massive amount of time if you create similar notes regularly. Templater also supports advanced scripting for users who want even more automation. For example, some people use it to automatically insert random quotes, create linked notes, generate task structures, or pull information from other files. Beginners don't need to learn these advanced features immediately, but it's good to know that the plugin is extremely flexible as your workflow grows over time. One of the most common uses of Templater is daily journaling. Instead of building the same journal structure every day manually, you can create a template once and reuse it forever. Students also use Templater for lecture notes, assignment tracking, revision planning, and exam preparation. Content creators often use it for video planning, script organization, sponsorship tracking, and idea management. Another great thing about Templater is consistency. When all your notes follow a similar structure, your vault becomes cleaner and easier to navigate. This is especially useful if you have hundreds or even thousands of notes inside Obsidian. A proper template system reduces clutter and improves productivity significantly. If your templates are not working correctly, make sure the plugin is enabled properly and the template folder location is configured correctly inside settings. Most beginner issues happen because the template folder was never selected or because the wrong command was used. Once those settings are fixed, Templater usually works smoothly without problems. So overall, Templater is one of the best plugins you can install in Obsidian in 2026. It helps automate repetitive tasks, speeds up note creation, improves organization, and makes your entire workflow much more efficient. Even learning a few basic template features can save you a huge amount of time in the long run. I hope this guide helped you understand how to use Templater in Obsidian step by step. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.